Hare Krishna, dear students. Welcome to the grammar class. So, since our quarterly exams are now over, we will resume with our regular classes. So, let's see which topic do we have for today. Open your book to page number 37. Articles. We are going to study about articles. What are articles? Words that point out definite and indefinite things are a, an and the. A and an mean one. They are called the indefinite articles because they do not point out any definite person or thing. The word the is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. मतलब कि a और an मतलब एक, ये indefinite articles होते हैं क्योंकि ये किसी particular person या thing को point out नहीं करते. But the word the, it is a definite article क्योंकि वो एक न एक particular चीज़ की तरफ इशारा करता है. Let's learn about the usage of a and an. A is used before u is pronounced as yo, as a cow is a useful animal. मतलब कि a cow is a useful animal. He is a European. Before o is pronounced as w. I lost a 1 rupee note. मतलब कि though o is a vowel but still we use a here because of the pronunciation. मतलब कि what is the pronunciation? V. So we use a as the pronunciation is not that of a vowel. Before a consonant sound as. I saw a girl walking in the garden. मतलब कि a is used before consonants and consonant sounds even if the consonant sounds are produced by a vowel. Is it clear, dear children? A motor car runs very fast. So let's take a look so as to learn where an is used. Before a vowel sound as there is an apple on the tree. Have you an ink pot with you? Before a silent h as he was an hour late. यहाँ पे pronunciation है vowel sound का. Even if there is a consonant at the beginning of the word, but still the pronunciation is that of a vowel sound. Hence we are going to use an. मतलब कि यहाँ पे हमने vowel sound का pronunciation किया है. यहाँ पे h है word के starting में. h is a consonant, but उसका pronunciation क्या हो रहा है? एक vowel sound हो रहा है. Are late. So that's why we are going to use an. Gopal is an honest man. Now let's learn about the usage of the. The is used before adjectives in the superlative degree as Ishan is the cleverest boy in the class. मतलब कि कोई एक particular लड़का ही cleverest हो सकता है. ठीक है, वो जो सबसे ज़्यादा होशियार है. Before the names of rivers and oceans, किसी particular river या ocean के name के पहले, the Ganga is a sacred river. The Arabian Sea. Before a common noun when we want to particularize it as this is the boy who won the first prize. मतलब ये वही लड़का है जो first prize जीता था. Omission of the article. Note the following important points. No article is used before proper nouns as Ashoka was a very wise king. Delhi is the capital of India. Amitabh lives in Mumbai. No article is used before abstract and material nouns as health is better than wealth. Wisdom is more useful than courage. Iron is more useful than gold. No article is used before the names of languages as Hindi is taught all over India. Sanskrit is not a difficult language. Okay children, so we have learned where to use the articles and where to omit the articles. So now let's move forward and solve the exercise related to articles. Practice time 9.1. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. Vipul is dash honest boy. Vipul is an honest boy. Which article is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound? Consonant के आगे कौन सा article use होता है? Only a. Which article is used before the name of a sacred book? किसी sacred book के नाम के आगे कौन सा article use होगा? The. Let's continue further with the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the as required. Dash sun is dash brightest star. The sun is the brightest star. Dash earth revolves around dash sun. The earth revolves around the sun. I saw dash European who was carrying dash umbrella. I saw a European who was carrying an umbrella. Rahul is flying to the US tomorrow to meet an uncle of his. French is spoken by the French people. I saw an elephant on the road. An old man was riding an elephant. I hope it is clear to you, children. The girl who won the Grand Slam in lawn tennis is an Indian. The man who is our neighbor is not only an excellent artist but also a good human being. Complete the following sentences by using articles whenever necessary. Satish is an honest man. I have to give him a 1 rupee coin. There is a university in the city. The Nile is the longest river in the world. I saw an aeroplane there. She gave me a banana and an orange. Agra is on the bank of river Yamuna. Okay children, so let's move forward to the next exercise. Complete the following dialogues using a, an or the. What are you doing, Geeta? Geeta says, Mother, I am in the kitchen. I am making a cup of tea. Mother, can I have a glass of water? I am very thirsty. Mayank, what should I buy for Sona on her birthday? Buy her a useful gift like a book. Mayank, I can get her an imported book. I know an American who sells imported books. So children, we have even completed the exercise of chapter number 9, the articles. So before our next class, I hope you revise this chapter completely and solve the entire exercise in your book itself, and copy में you are going to write the definitions given in this orange box. You have to note down the definitions given in this orange box in your classwork copy. So practice well before your next class. Hare Krishna dear students, have a nice day.